Hey there, this is Rebel Bricks with a new video relating to the Borgia Guard from the Mega Bloks set. And this is what you can do to display it. Here I have this little mock where they're all fighting. And you can get right up close to that and see all the action going on. Great to put on display because you have each of the figures in movement and in positions. So I'm using the articulation that it already has and using this as sort of just the background because I'm focusing mainly on the characters. And even this minifig over here is still in use as he is attacking. So this is just to show like how you can really put together these collector sets from Mega Bloks to make them really displayable. Just use all the minifigures and put them in action and only focus on the action going at hand and use the set itself as sort of a background. Here's another look around, in and out. Here you go. And so long.